Hi, my name is Ryan Zuber, and we're here with Total Health Wellness with the Shelby County government, giving you less stress in the kitchen. And we're going to add a little bit of honey just to add some flavor for the caramelization. And we're going to allow it to sit. That way you can start to prepare your chicken. And you can have it on about medium to high, because we just want to sear the chicken. And that's what you want to do. You want to get it nice and soft, but you got to keep moving it. It's going to take about maybe 4 to 6 minutes on each side. Keep the habit of moving it around because you don't want it to stick or brown too much in one specific area. You want to get a total complete brownness. You can find all the Total Health and Wellness recipes on my website, yourfavoritenutritionist.com, or through your Total Health and Wellness program. Balanced nutrition is one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, to create a healthy relationship with your primary care physician, do not miss your preventive annual exams. Tap into the benefits and programs that are actually available to you. And always remember, when cooking at home, focus on portion control.